Alright, so I wasn't planning on making a trip to TJ Maxx. I randomly just came into the one up north, but I started finding really nice stuff. Like, look at this Champion hoodie. Has the big logo, double logo, with like the blue big spell out and then like the lime green. It's 25 bucks, which isn't bad. And then as I was going through the t-shirts, look at this crazy Adidas piece. Like, the print on it is just so sick. It almost gives me like that vintage vibes just because of how big the print is. And then guys, look at this. I found this for $8. This is basically like a thrift store price. We have the Aaliyah I Miss You. And obviously it's single sided, obviously it's a new age print, but for $8, a brand new, I'll use this all day. Nice little crew neck. But yeah, I might as well just show you guys what they have at this one, because yeah, I mean, I'm just finding cool stuff. Nothing like crazy, but it should, oh, actually, where I found this Tommy Hilfiger big flag. Look at this Tommy Hilfiger denim big flag, $30. It's not bad. So let's continue and see what finds we can find. You know, I really like the reprint shirts. Look at this Jimi Hendrix with a tie-dye. Super sick. And TJ Maxx Marshalls have been having a lot of like the reprint style vintage stuff too. Like this Boys in the Hood shirt, for example. They give it like that almost like bleach wash with obviously like the vintage style print. You have the Naruto long sleeve. And then look at this. I love this. I might even get this for myself. You have the little jean Michael Basquiat. Okay, this makes more sense. I was like, how is this so cheap? But I guess someone just like, maybe they just put a tag, but it's $8, and then this one is $17. So I wonder if I can bring this one and then get this one for $8. Because like I said, this for $8 is a steal. $17, that's about what it is. I can easily post this on Mercari and sell it for, you know, $25, $30 all day. Then we have this Looney Tunes one. Super sick. It even has like licensing at the bottom. Looney Tunes Summer 20 or Season 20. Wu-Tang hoodie, size small, 25 bucks. So this hoodie is so crazy. I love it. Rugrats, Tommy on the back. See, this is why like I don't mind the reprint, especially how much is it. It doesn't say the price, but it's probably like 20 bucks. Well, I think at the find of the day, it's actually on clearance for $40. Retail was $148, and they sell for about $90 or so. This is a 2XL. Has a Polo Terrain, Polo Sportsman. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this and a couple of the Aaliyah sweatshirts. So now I just came into Ross next door, and if I showed you guys, if you guys saw the Colorado, you guys saw I got these Nike boots, and they are literally my favorite things. Literally just found them in black, and they're on sale for 50 bucks. I'm gonna try them on, see how they are, and maybe I grab them also just to have 2 pairs, because you can't go wrong with Nike boots. Look at these crazy North Face shoes. Clearance $36, fast foam. Even the box itself is so crazy. Let's see, they have a size, all size 13s. Look at these are nice. Timberland boots. Like Chelsea style Timberland boots with zippers on the sides. How much are they? Clearance for 60. Not gonna lie, if this was double-sided, I feel like it'd be so fire. But they just do single-sided every time. Boys in the Hood. At first I thought these were Nike Tech Fleece, but I've never heard of it. Bugatti, original price $130, on clearance for $30. And like I said, it has that zippers like if it was Tech Fleece, just like it. Alright, I gotta fix it. Then I saw these True Religion sweatpants, original price $90, size medium, and they're on clearance for $15. I was like, oh, that's such a steal. But then I was looking and I was like, they don't have any True Religion branding on them at all. Like nothing on the front and nothing on the back that says that it's True Religion. It's just like a low-key flex, I guess. Look at these Tommy Hilfiger, the Archives collection, $80 shorts, with like the color blocking. 40 bucks. No Tommy Hilfiger branding though. Then we did find these Calvin Klein all over print. 20 bucks. Oh wow, this is very nice. Polo Ralph Lauren, the little rugby bear kicking the football. The hoodie retail price is $98 and they are currently selling it for $40. They have a bunch of sizes. Medium, XL, large. Tommy Hilfiger. This is a nice coat. $60. Retail $195. Damn, that's a high retail. $195. Tons of North Face, like bubble down jackets, all different colors. They're asking $119, and then retail was $200 from North Face. They have like this green one. They have this other green one behind there. They have a navy one, black, red, the other green one. Not bad, but not for $120. Super, super bright neon Champion with the little Champion C on clearance for $20. Then on the back has that little Champion tab. These little side bags are kind of cool. Clearance $10, retail $25, and they have this other one. Doesn't fit much, could probably fit like my camera. True Religion, black straight pants, $50, retail was $150. We have these blue pairs, retail was $90 for $50 also. Guess jeans, a windbreaker, $40, has a little vintage triangle hit right there. Guess spell out on the arm. Damn, look at these crazy True Religion jeans. Super sick. $30. I might have to pick these up. What's retail on them? Retail is $90. Oops, and I just ripped the tag off them. God damn it. These are pretty fire though. Then I just came across this Pinstripe Levi's 511 Denim. Size 36-29, which is a weird size, only $16, but the fact that it's a weird size is probably why it's sitting. Not many people are 36-29. Let's see if we can find any other good deals. Look at these True Religions, 30. These aren't that special though. Size 44 relaxed fit, retail was $120. I think I'm just gonna pick up these honestly. Low-key even maybe for personal, because they're my size. Wow, look at these. I've never seen them. Tommy Hilfiger wireless AirPods. They're on clearance for $40. I've never seen it before. It doesn't have original price, but these are pretty insane. I low-key want to get these. Tommy Hilfiger like AirPods? Seems like they have like different color for cases, but the actual pods are the same. I'm gonna look them up and see how much they actually like used to be. But I might copy these for myself and do a little, look, they have Tommy Hilfiger with the wire ones. I never knew that they made earbuds. Alright, so eBay's not really loading, but 30, 65, 50, 50, 38 were best offer. So they're actually cheaper online than they are in store. But I still want to buy them just to do like a review on them, just to see how they are. But let's see what we have for the clothes. True Religion, $50, has a little rips on it. Retail was $180. Some more True Religion, $20 t-shirt, has a little Buddha guy in the back. Karl Lagerfeld, $17. Another True Religion, but this is like a v-neck. Entire clearance section of all True Religions, and it looks like they're all the same size, all same style. You have the Ricky, retail is $160. They're on clearance for $40, size 32. They're pretty nice. All the same size though, or all the same style. Wonder how big they are. Relax straight. So let's see how wide these actually are. Yeah, not too wide. Huge spell out of Marni Exchange, all embroidered. Gives like that vintage vibes. And the hoodie is very, very heavy. Armani Exchange. What are these? True Religion, like the white wash, $50. Well, I think they have enough flannels. Jeez, I've never even heard of this brand either. Mountain Expeditions, they want $20. Their fleece line, they have a few different colorways. Oh, we saw this at the other TJ Maxx. Tommy Hilfiger, little Tommy Hilfiger. Nothing too special or crazy at this one though. Tons of camo shorts. Let's see if we can find anything good, Oh, a different colorway of the Tommy Hilfiger. This colorway really reminds me of the Guess jeans J Balvin. Like the colorway they had, like similar tie-dye with yellow print on it. Well, I didn't think I would see it, but we have the New Age Liquid Blue Grateful Dead 2018 print TJ Maxx. Nice little thumbnail. Today's fit: vintage Nike white tag Hudson pants, white Air Force Ones, and Profound mask. Gucci earrings, $1,000, $600. See if there's any other Gucci rings, $640. And then I think those are earrings behind it, $560. Other than that, it's just normal like diamond stuff. Sadly, I'm not leaving with anything. I didn't even buy those True Religion jeans that we saw at the last TJ Maxx. I know this is kind of like all over the place, but I went to like 4 or 5 different TJ Maxx in this entire video. But the only thing that I did buy in this video was the Polo Ralph Lauren rugby shirt that was like the blue and yellow one, which I sold literally as soon as I posted on my Instagram. Someone asked how much and sent me the money, and I shipped it to them that day. So that's already gone out of here. I've been trying to make this video, like trip to TJ Maxx or whatever, for over a week now. I've been going to different TJ Maxxes and everything and literally not finding anything. Everything is just so dry. I don't know what's the case, whether people already picked it or if they're just not getting good stuff. So sadly, I'm not gonna hit any more TJ Maxx in this video, but I am starving. It is currently, what time is it? I think it's like 2 o'clock, 2:30 right now. Today is currently Tuesday, which I think you guys are gonna be watching this on Tuesday. I uploaded yesterday's video, was the part 2 at selling at the flea market. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you guys go check that out. I have a part 1 and a part 2, and you guys love it. You guys absolutely killed it. You guys love those types of videos, so I think I'm gonna have to start doing those more often. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get sushi. I've been craving sushi, and this sushi place that I'm going to, I used to go all the time, and I haven't been in a long time. Probably over a year, honestly, just because with COVID and everything. So I'm going to hit up this sushi place, and let's hope it's as good as I remember. So let's look at some sushi. Damn, they took out the outside tables. I guess you can't dine in, which is kind of annoying. It's kind of annoying. You can't eat inside, but I guess we'll see.
I need a mask, dude. What do you need?
It's the same thing as a mask. Can I have shrimp tempura?
Anything else?
Rainbow roll with no white fish. And just a side of spicy mayo. So in 2 months, it's gonna be 1 year that this stupid coronavirus has hit us, and people are still acting like it's mind-blowing. You have to wear a mask, you can't sit inside or outside. Like, yeah, I don't know. I wish that we can go back to our normal life, because it's wild living in like a scare. I feel like we're gonna do this for the next 5 years, just living in scared by people not be able to eat inside or eat outside, even though the governor, like the governor or whatever, says like no businesses will not open. But I guess we'll see. We have to wait now for the sushi, and I guess I'll just take it back home and eat it since I can't eat here. And I already know the comments are gonna be filled with like, Emilio, just put on a mask. Why aren't you wearing a mask? Just put on a mask for other people's safety. Guys, my opinions on masks is that they're bullshit. They don't do anything. Wearing a mask is like wearing a condom that has little tiny pinholes in it. Yes, you're wearing a condom. Yes, to the girl it looks all good and safe, but you know that there's little tiny pinholes and that it doesn't do anything. Masks are literally just to make people try to feel comfortable that like, oh, people are like, there's a mask so everyone's safe. Like, no, it's all bullshit. I can literally wear a mask that has mesh holes in it and no one's gonna say anything just because it's covering my face. So people just want something covering your face. It doesn't matter if it does a job. It doesn't matter if it has holes in it. It doesn't matter anything. People just want some kind of security or some kind of thing that they think like, okay, we're good and safe. I saw a lot of comments, or a few comments of like, oh, on the flea market, why aren't you wearing a mask? Guys, we're outside. I'm not gonna fucking wear a mask outside. Like, if I go grocery shopping, okay, I'll wear a mask in there. But like, I try to literally wear the mask as least as possible because it's bullshit, guys. Like, We've been wearing masks for almost a year now, and there's still people getting infected. There's still stuff. So my question is, let's say you're wearing a mask, right? And the germs get on the mask, right? To protect you from breathing in. Well, what do you do when you walk to your car? You remove the mask. Then the germs is on your hand. Then you touch a phone. Like, it's cross-contamination all over the place. Masks do not work. If you really are that concerned, get a vaccine. Honestly, now that we have a vaccine, I wish that they would put like a 30-day order that for everyone that wants to get their vaccine, get the vaccine. And then after 30 days, no more masks, no more fucking bullshit, no more 6 feet apart at airports. But then when we get into the airplane, we're literally sitting 6 inches apart. Like, the rules are so stupid. Like, you can go into restaurants and you can't just have a drink, but if you order food, then you can get a drink. Like, you can't walk in without a mask, but once you sit at a table, you can take off your mask. Like, the rules are just stupid, and that's my opinion on them. I know you guys will probably think otherwise. A lot of people disagree with me. A lot of people think that the masks are wonderful. That's not the case. But enough ranting. I got my sushi. Let's go home, check on Captain, see how the little man's doing, and enjoy this sushi. The people love you. The people love when they see Captain. You know how many people ask about you? You know 1,000 people see you a day? Even though I just see you, but 1,000 people see you, you don't care. You just got an itch. You just got an itch, right? 1,000 people know who you are. Well, more than 1,000 people know who you are, but 1,000 people watch you every day. It's just so tiring, isn't it? I know. I'm gonna eat some sushi. I got sushi for myself. You just got a bunch of itches, huh? Today I did get 2 rolls. So this one is shrimp tempura. Basically it's rice with seaweed, shrimp with like some crispy rice crispy inside it with some kind of tempura sauce. And then this one is a rainbow roll. It's salmon, tuna, avocado on top, and then in the middle it's just a California roll. It's like cream cheese with crab and something else. Usually this roll comes with a white fish too, but I got no white fish, so I just got extra salmon and tuna. And then I get spicy mayo and eel sauce, and I mix them together, and that's what I use to eat.